Welcome back to Tyler's Android Journey, Part 4. What we're looking at here is level of complexity for our app. Now, you might be wondering, what am I even looking at? What is this going to be? Well, what we're trying to do, me and my buddy, we want to make a app that is motivational. And so, as you can see, it says fitness now. And let's take a look here. We're going to click on the muscle arm. And this looks slightly more complex, okay? Before, remember how I would click it once and it would give you a level up? I think before it would say like strength level. Now I'm clicking, you're doing some calisthenics, you're doing some workout machines, some free weights and some cardio. And now it says your current fitness level is 2. I hit back. No, that level stays over here. Okay. That's one thing we're going to talk about. Also, you hit boost. It's kind of saying, hey, you want to boost your fitness level? Yes. What's our plan? We're going to go back. We're going to look into that, how we're doing that. And this is the fun part. This is these kind of, I just call these, normal buttons. But if you click on it, it says bad progress. Secondary test for progress bar. That actually worked. Probably because I linked to another page. My progress bar demo. That one didn't work. So we're gonna go back. Okay, that one's linking to 2 different things. That's stupid. But look at this test horizontal progress. Level up your strength. So this one is not what I'm looking for. Okay, that's why I called it test, because it just didn't work correctly for what I was looking for. The bad progress one was the first iteration. Then I tried this test horizontal progress, but what you can see is I saved the buttons and their job. And then test horizontal progress 2, I like this one. This is the most recent one. See how it kind of increments? That is something for later episodes, probably episode 5. I want that kind of system to be used where we see this and text view. That kind of makes sense. So now you can see where we're going to be going with this. So the first things first, let's talk about how come it's not giving us a free level here. And it relates to what we talked about last week. So let's take a look here. And where is it? StrengthStream.java. Okay, now we have a lot more counters here. Increment the workout machines, calisthenics. Appears kind of blurry. Alright, let's go down. But what's the meat behind it is right here. Before the logic was this plus this modulo 10, meaning the remainder, if you divide it by 10 is equal to 0, then what we're going to do is we're going to increment the fitness level. Now, what happened is that gave you a free point if you just hit it once. So now what I did was I did all this stuff, modulo equals 0, equivalent to 0, if that's true, and all this stuff added together is greater than 0, then go ahead and increment the fitness level result. Okay, so that's why it's only going up when all these combined are worth 10 or more. Now this system is nowhere near done. See, now it says 4. Go back here, that says 4. Now that's nowhere near done because what's going to happen later is even doing a little bit of the workout will get you some kind of EXP towards a fitness level. Because right now, as you can see, like if I click on it, it's actually almost giving you an entirely new session, and that exercise that you did isn't going to be helping you at all according to the system because it's not helping you towards your fitness level. So we're gonna be tighten that up, and then the next thing is that progress bar. This one definitely was tricky even to get it to this point, And you're going to see here the code is getting slightly more complicated. In the manifest, here's one thing that I want everybody to notice is my screen's blurry. You need to set your activity manifest, okay? If your manifest isn't looking good, guess what? None of it's going to look good, and it won't link properly. So on your main menu screen, well, first here's the main menu. You got your button there. Your button needs to have a name, right? And this one it says the 2. And then in your main menu screen, you got to link that button up. Oh man. See? Button test progress 2 equals button find by view by ID r.id test underscore prog underscore 2. Then test progress 2 set on click listener this. Okay, now we go down and should have a switch. Yeah, so there's our switch. v.getID case, all that. Boost our fitness, test progress, test prog 2. Okay? And what that's doing is that is calling this activity. And so next time what we're going to discuss is how we got this bar to actually link to how is that link bar going to actually relate to this bar, and that's what we're working on. So that's a little teaser of what we're going to be working on next week, and also an explanation on how we fixed that free level up with the buttons. Enjoy.